central. So ilas na higher interest rates. Imong purpose ana to ilahang ma-control ang economy, ilahang ma-control ang borrowing and spending. So nasabtan ra ang monetary policy. Okay, now let's proceed to fiscal policy. So when you learn the word fiscal policy, what comes to your mind? Medyo important. Fiscal policy is government para ma-help manage our economy. Like for example, working pandemic during economic. Kasi ating tao mawala sa mga so ang akong government nila ang tax para ma-support ang mga tao malala sa mga para po sa ang vaccine na tawag sa ang medication. Dahil matapos siya sa economic dito sa tao magandang lang kailangan na sa ang government para hindi tayo kanino well, so fiscal policy refers to how the government uses spending and taxation to influence the economy. So everyone, please read the definition of fiscal policy.
This is about government spending and taxation.
Okay, let's take for example. So ang government is example if the government spend money to build mga roads, bridges, and schools. Of course, kung mag-spend na sila of money to build schools and so kung mag-build sila anak na schools and so for example, so fiscal policy. So kung mag-build sila of new roads, bridges, and schools, of course, it can create more jobs kaya mag-hire mo na sila of mga people, mga workers. And then, it can create jobs and then it can earn money or they can spend money and goods and services. So, in simple terms, fiscal policy is the government spending and taxes. So, questions? The questions regarding the components of macroeconomics.
And so far.
So now, today we learned that macroeconomics is focuses the economy as a whole. So what are the six components of macroeconomics? So ano yung value? What are the six components of macroeconomics?
Inflation,
employment, growth, economic growth, monetary policy, and fiscal policy. Very good. These concepts are connected to our daily lives because it can affect the prices, the jobs, the businesses, and the economy. And also, understanding macroeconomics is help us understand why changes in economy can affect us and our economies. So, question: why is economic growth important to? Why is economic growth important to a country? So, dito. What?
Economic growth is important in our country, ma'am. To know if kanang ang atoang to know if ang usa ka country mo ba kay stable ra ba ang iyang kwan, and also guys, para mas masabtan, there are two types of fiscal policy. Ako lang sa So there are two types of fiscal policy. We have expansionary fiscal policy o contractionary. Kay ano siya kanang connection siya sa economic growth. Why? Ang fiscal policy, ang first niya kay ang expansionary, there na nga time nga if ang high ang unemployment sa ato ang country, dira na magamit ang expansionary. Why? Dira na nga time ang government magpahimo sila og kalsada, magpahimo sila og mga public hospitals, mga public schools to para mas mahatagan o pagtagan o mas mahatagan og trabaho ang mga tao nga walay trabaho para mo high ang employment kaysa sa unemployment. Then ang contractionary fiscal policy, dili na siya ka time if high ang inflation, dili na nga time nga magamit ang constructionary fiscal policy. It's because if high inflation, dili na nga time nga ang government ipaubos niya ang tax sa mga tao. And also, nganong gamit sila tanan ang inflation, para nganong gamit ay nganong need na to mahibaw-an ang inflation, ang unemployment, ang gross domestic product, monetary policy, fiscal policy. It's because sila kaning lima mo na hinungdan nganong na economic growth ng Pilipinas. And ang Pilipinas